Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Connect to SAP system also. Do it parallel with me. So this is the internal tables. Internal tables basically. So the way that we will build the internal tables are two types. One is with work area, without header. Call as header without header. Other one is internal table with header line. This is the old concept. Work area without header line with header line. This is absolute. 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 And this one is we should okay. Sorry, just 5 minutes. We forgot meditation. Can I do it now? 9:40 till 9:45. Close the eyes. Observe the breath. Observe the breath. Slow down the thoughts. Feel every cell of the body is energizing. Smiling face complete. Complete concentration. Observe breathe in, breathe out. Close the eyes. Feel the breathe in, breathe out. Feel the sensation of the breathe in, breathe out. Silence complete. Bring back the attention. Okay, thanks. So we'll go with the internal table now without header line. So what we do is before this one now, we'll go operations on the internal tables. Operations on the internal tables. Internal tables. Okay. What is all these things is append. Okay. Next one is read. Okay. Next one is modify, delete, loop. These are the operations we do. Okay. In the read, with respect to index, with respect to key. Okay. So we'll do this quickly. And you can also apply a select statement to fill the data. I'll do this quickly one by one practically. Okay. Mhm. Operations. Operations in today's day is can you try? I'll give 5 minutes time. Can you try create one internal table with how many fields? Regularly, whatever the number of fields will take. MATNR, MTLT, MATK. and MEINs. Can you create with these fields table quickly? First, you need to create types. First, you need to create types. Then you should create a work area. Then you should create an internal table. Begin types begin off end off. Do this quickly with these fields. Open table, Mara table parallelly. This is Mara table. Create quickly by 5 minutes time. Create one work area. First types of work area internal table. right? Done now. This is all the basics. Very, very important
Done.
things.
Yes.
Right, done,
Done.
right? Any questions? Always follow this type of naming, what I'm doing. Okay, no? It is not mandatory TY underscore Mara, but use it. Right? Right? UTRT. Right? Right? What is this MIT and the left side fields? Nine left side one. What do you call this one? What do you call this one? Field names. Right? Now TY underscore Mara, how many records it will store? How many records it stores now? TY underscore Mara, how many records it will store?
0 to 10,000, sir.
No, no, no. TY underscore Mara. I'm asking TY underscore Mara. Question is TY underscore Mara. How many records it will store? TY underscore Mara.
Zero records.
Zero records. Because why?
Because it just defines the type of the
Correct, correct,
data.
perfect, 100%. Very good. This is just data type. It won't store any records. Right? Got the point? It won't store any records. It is only data type. Like a character means it won't store any data records, right? Value, right? It's like data type. Structure type is one data type. Structure type is a data type. It won't store any data. Okay. These are the interview questions conceptually. Got the practical questions as well. They will ask. Now, what is W underscore Mara?
Work area.
Okay. How many records it will store?
It stores one record.
Always one record only. What is the meaning of record?
Group of fields.
Group of fields. Perfect one. Group of fields. It could be it could be one field, it could be two fields, it could be three fields. Now, what is this one? Now, what is this? ID underscore Mara.
Internal table.
Think. I made you confused. Is it internal table?
I think it's work area only.
Because only naming we are changing. So it will not become an internal table. It becomes work area only. Now, what is IT underscore Mara? Internal table, right? How many records will store? It will store n number of records. You can think in that way. This is single record. Now let us assign one record into this one. Okay. How do you assign the data into work area? Material now equal to say material number 100. Okay. Value I'm assigning work area underscore Mara hyphen MDRT raw material. Work area underscore Mara material from 01. Do it parallel with me. Work area underscore Mara hyphen MEIS equal to this. Now this will add one record. Area underscore Mara. What will do the append statement? Append statement will do what? Hmm?
That's a record to the table.
It will add each append statement will add one record to the internal table. Okay, na? From work area to internal table. Each append statement. Each append statement will add one record from work area to the internal. So I add one more record, material number 200. Instead of raw material, I am making it finished material. So now how many records are there in your internal table? How many records are there in your internal table?
2, sir.
Two, correct. Two records. How many fields are there?
8, sir.
Fields is four only.
Okay.
Always one,
2, 3.
two, three, four.
Yes.
Next, reading the record from the internal table. Do it parallel with me. Reading record from the internal table. We use read statement. Read statement will bring one record internal table. Okay. AT underscore Think of what could be index 2 means. What could be index 2 means?
So adding two records into the tables.
Hmm. No, read. Index 2. Index 2 means second record. Second record will bring work area. Hello, sir. Good morning. Sir, I'm in the ABAP class now. Any urgent, sir? Just, sir, after this class, I'll be free, 11:30. Uh, okay. Okay. So do this one and execute. Do this and execute. Are you getting record found or record not found?
Record found.
Record found. Instead of index 2, give index 3. Instead of index 2, give index 3.
This record not found.
Right? Why? What could be the reason? What could be the reason?
This second record we have written index 2, but there is
Hmm.
no third record.
Correct. So index will give the position. Position. Just only one second. Can you try using the key? There is a concept of readable with key. Just try. So same thing you apply read statement here. Suppose if we give the 3, okay. Suppose if we give 3, what will become your SY sub R C? Anyone can think and tell me? What will happen this SY sub R C? Why you are giving 0 means what is the meaning of 0? Hello? This point we discussed many times last few classes. Vasim asking, right? No?
Yes.
Vasim asking. So what is the meaning of 0 here? Hmm? 0 means success. Non-zero means failure. What is success? What is failure? Hello?
Sir,
What is success? Hmm.
if the value of sy that the system variable, if it becomes 0, then it gives success, and if it is not 0, then
No, what my question is, what is
it's
the meaning of success? What is the meaning of failure? Success means 0, right? What is
yes.
the meaning of success means? Success means it found a record. What read statement will do? It will get one record from internal table to the work area. Right? If you give 3 here, check syntax, activate. You can you analyze here, put a breakpoint here, stop, execute. Where is my control? Line number 35. Okay. This read statement, what you are trying to do is you are trying to read internal table. Index 3 means third record from internal table to the work area. Right? 3 means not 3 records, third record. Index is the position. Now, what is the internal table? Double click here. You can see here in the runtime debug mode. Double click here. You can see here, 2 records are there here. So you are trying to get the third record. You don't have a third record. Okay. So this read statement will success or failure. This read
It
statement
will
will
be
be
failure.
fail, right? Because index 3 is not there. Third record is not there. See here. You see what is the SY subversive value here? 4.
4.
4 means 4 means that's the previous statement is failed. Means this statement has failed. Failed. Failed means it could not get a single record also from internal table to the work area. Don't assume 4 means failed. Non-zero means failed. It could be 4 or 8. It could be any number. Now which statement will execute here? Else part record not. Clear? This is clear, huh? Concept. This is very important
Yes,
variable in the.
sir.
Now, what I'm saying is, you can also one more concept in the read statement. Read table, at underscore mara into carry underscore mara. Now this is based on the value. Key means based on the value. Key means based on the value. Now think of this select statement will become a success or failure. Think 1 minute. Read same concept, single record only. Always read statement will bring one record from internal table to the work area.
So the output is record not found.
Why? What could be the reason? What could be the reason? Think 1 minute. What could be the reason? What first of all 36 line will do? We'll try to bring single record, right, from internal table to work area. Comparing MDRT means material type, material number, material type, material group, units of measure. Not found means this read statement is failed. Why the read statement is failed? Can we think of why it is failed? The raw material is available, right? But still why it has been failed?
So because it is written in upper cases.
Perfect.
But
Very good. Very good. Very good. Appreciate. We can put a breakpoint here. Execute. Right? Now this is the internal table. You are searching now not based on the position, no, but based on the value. Key means the value actually. Okay. This raw different, this raw is different because this is uppercase case sensitive, the value. Now the select statement, sorry, read statement will fail here. See, fail means non-zero. Hence you don't get that record. Understood, right? Clear, right? Suppose in this case this becomes success or failure.
it will be success.
Hmm? It will be success, right? Because it is matching. It's good now. Okay. Right. Space suffers is 0. So this record is found here. Think 1 minute. Think 1 minute. Tell me this statement will become true or false. Now this statement, delete statement will success or failure.
Success.
Success. So which record will bring, first record or second record? Both are same, right?
Yes, sir.
True. Do yourself and tell me. You can print here. Wait statement. Work area underscore Mara hyphen MAT. This will tell you which record has been fetched. Do this and tell me. I am printing that record here. This will bring the work area data into the work area. If we execute this one, tell me either it's getting the first record or second record. Question understood, right?
Where it is printing for M100.
That means first record, first occurrence. Because read will get single record only. It will use the first occurrence. Right? Got the point, right? Clear?
It will print for the first record.
It will fetch the first record. You are fetching here. Here. Line number 38 you are fetching. Here you are printing here. I'll put a breakpoint here. See, always better concept here is you can clear the previous record. Clear work area underscore more. So the previous record will not be there in the work area. See how it works in the debug mode. It will be interesting. I'll put a breakpoint here. From beginning, I put a breakpoint. Execute. Right now, I'm assigning. What the line number 19 you are doing? We are doing line number 19. Huh? Cursor is currently line number 19, right? What we are doing currently line number 19? We are assigning value to the work area field. This is the value, right? This is the value. Right side is the value, and left side is the field. Okay. Now what this will do? Open statement line number 23 will do. What is line number 23 will do? It will add one record from work area to internal table. See the runtime 90 underscore Mara. 0 records. What is 0 by 4? 112 means sometime back I have discussed. What is this 0 slash 4112? This is the internal table. 0 means 0 records. 4 means think and tell me what is the meaning of 4. This we discussed sometime back. Internal table structure is showing in the runtime now currently. What is 0, what is 4, what is 112? Zero means 0 records. 4 means 4 columns, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 112 means bytes, memory space, memory space. Let's see, course is 0, right here. Records 0, okay. 4 columns. 112 is memory size, memory size of the internet table. క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను, చాట్ చేద్దాం, చాట్ మెసేజ్ పెడతారా? వాళ్ళు కాల్ చేశారా నైట్? అతను కాల్ చేయలేదా? ఆరిఫ్, ఓకే ఓకే, కాల్ చేస్తా అన్నాడా? ఈ అమ్మాయితో డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం, నేను కమర్షియల్స్లో వర్కౌట్ చేద్దాం, ఎందుకంటే ఆల్రెడీ గుడ్ అమౌంట్ టైం పోయేస్తాను ఆల్రెడీ. సో నేను ఒకసారి డిస్కస్ చేసి మీతోటి మనం ప్రపోజ్ చేస్తాం. So see here now, IT underscore Mara is empty here. One record will come now. One record came here. Right? Now second record you are assigning to the internet table. Second record. Okay. What the clear will do is the previous record will delete from the work area. W underscore Mara contains the previous record. Last record, this one. Work area underscore Mara here. Oh, first record I give as M200. Huh? Okay. IT underscore Mara is M200. Yes. Okay. Now read will bring a record here with key MIDKL here. Space numbers become 0. Okay. Can you see there is one more index variable here, SY tab X. This will give you the current record position number. SY tab X will give the current record number that is processing in the internet table. This is clear, right? Any question here? Tab X. This will give current record feature is record number 1. Suppose Suppose no here. Think 1 minute. If you execute this one, what is your which record will come into the work area? Here. See, observe here. I have changed the value here to the MATKL. Which record will get to the work area? This statement. First record or second record? Hello. Check it here. MATKL value is 01 is in which record? First record or second record?
It will give for M100.
That means second record, right? Only two records, right? This is one record, this is one record. Second record, right?
Sec-
Hmm. So S5 tab X, it becomes what? S5 tab X is the current record number. Record position. Yes. S5. Right? Now think 1 minute. What will be the output of 41? Okay, it's good this one. No? What value will come here? Record found and record position is. It comes 1 or 2. First of all, first record it will found or second record. There are only two records, right? MATKL equal to 01 is available in here or here. Second record. So S5 tab X become 2. So second record will print here. To get execute here. Record
Second
found,
record.
record position number is 2. Clear? This concept is clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now delete. Delete will delete the record from the internet. Delete statement will delete record. Not single record. Delete statement will delete the records card. Now think of it will delete second record or two records it will delete. Think 1 minute. Here also use the system variable. Space sub RC equal to 0. Statement record deleted. Think of if you do this one, else record not deleted. Now think how many records will delete this line number 47 statement.
It will only delete the second record.
Because we are giving the index number 2. Understood, right? Suppose if I go index 5, what will happen? Think 1 minute. If I give this index 5, what will happen? It will delete which record will delete. What is the meaning of index 5? Index 5 means fifth record,
Choose
not
for the
5
fifth.
record. Fifth record. So we don't have any fifth record here, right? Because only two records, right? So this will fail or success, line number 47.
It will fail.
Fail because index 5 is not there. Check syntax, activate, put a breakpoint here, stop, execute, single step. What is the value of S by sub or C? C in the syntax here,
4.
4. 4 means
It is failure.
failure. Failure means it could not delete any record, right? For that reason, okay, record not, record not. Clear? This is clear. Next to display the data, we use not to display, to process the data, to process the records one by one. We will use the loop statement on the internet. Okay. So I'll add one more record. Two records right here. Now, how many records are there in my internet table? How many records? 1, 2, or 3?
3 records.
3 records because 3 times I'm using append. After deleting one record, how many records will be there? Suppose if I give, anyway, this we can keep like this only now. Okay. This statement will not execute here now. So, but it underscore carry underscore more. Think 1 minute. How many times this loop will execute? Loop on the internet table because internet table is more than one record. Loop will process record by record. What I'm asking the question here is how many times the loop will execute? So how many times the loop will execute? Obviously, because 3 records are there. So how many times the loop will execute?
Will execute 3 times.
3 times because number of records. If you want, you can also write here. You can write here also. Current record processing in the loop is SY hyphen tab X. And then maybe you can go 100 position is material number. So this will give you think 1 minute. What could be SY tab X will print? What is the tab X system variable? The current record number. So how it will print 1, 2, 3, right? 3 times. X syntax. Activate. Put a breakpoint here. Execute. Okay. Your internal deploy underscore Mara. 3 records. Right? 1, 2, 3 here. Right? First it becomes tab X equal to 1. It was 2 because the earlier previous value is there. Right? Now tab X become 1 because first record you are processing here. Control is here now. You print here now. Where is my control now? Which line number currently?
67.
67. Think of after 67 now, what will become this value? Currently it is 1. Means one iteration is completed. One record is completed. Now after this statement line number 67 execute, what will become your tab X? Tab X
Will
always
become 2.
will 2 because it will increment based on the loop. So it will become 2 here. Like a SY index only. 3. Clear? One more concept, modify. Modify in statement. Modify existing record. Area underscore Mara. Right? ID underscore Mara. Area underscore X. Area underscore Mara. Think 1 minute. What is going to do this one? Modify is to modify the record. So there are 3 records are there in your internal table. Here. I'll activate here. I'll put a breakpoint here otherwise. Just runtime you tell me. Right? ID underscore Mara. There are how many records are there ID underscore Mara? How many records are there? Hello.
3 records.
3 records. Right. Now what is the line number 68 will do?
will fetch the first record.
Right? It will fetch the first record from the internal table and then put into the work area, right? With the index 1 here. All right. And what is that I am making here? What the first record? MEANS means units of measure. kg, right? kg I am making to back here now. That I am overwriting that record here in the internal table. Okay. Work area underscore mara is going to get first record, right? And units of measure is kg. This kg you are going to modify with a bag. I'm just clicking these buttons, navigation. Okay. Now it became as a bag here. Bag. This you are going to overwrite in the internal table now. Now you can see here internal table is modified with the value name as a bag here. Bag. Right. Now the output will be with the not kg bag output. Execute here. Clear? Any doubt here? Modify internal table. Hello? So total how many records are there now in the internal table? Three records, right?
Three records. You know, clear IP underscore describe table IP underscore this. I can declare here also the variable, no problem. Underscore number of type I. Why I am taking data type I? Describe means it will give the number of records available in the internal table. Describe statement will give the number of records available in the internal table. Now think and tell me here how many records will come into this variable. See the definition. Two or three. Hello? How many records are there in the internal table? Hello? Please respond. How many records are there? Now there will be 0 records.
Because we are clearing here, right? We can also apply the clear statement on the work area also. We'll put a breakpoint. Stop here. That is good. Okay. IT underscore Mora, right, is 0 now because we have cleared here. Okay. Work area underscore Mora. Currently, do you see the record or not? Record or records? Work area underscore Mora. Record is different, records are different. Records means more than one record. Record means only one record. No record is there or records there in W underscore Mara.
Is one record.
Only one record, right? One record will go now. It is here. After clear statement, what will happen here? One. You can apply the free statement also. Free will delete the memory also. Free will delete the memory as well. Text syntax. That's good. Right? IT underscore Mara is no records now because you have removed the data. So if you want to go through this, you can go through the documentation. Press F1 here. Only 1 minute. Hello. చెప్పండి. ఉమ్. So if anything you want to go through the documentation, how do you go through it? Suppose you want understood about the free statement or clear statement. What? How do you get the documentation in inbuilt documentation? Which button you click? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Which button we click so that we'll get a documentation for this line number 86?
F1, sir.
F1, correct. Hello. Hmm. లేదు లేదు. Okay.
One.
Just go to that F1, press F1, go through it once. Hello. Arun? Hello, Arun? Red color. Correct color. ఉమాశంకరా? Hmm. 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 Okay. Information you call is me call is. లేదు లేదు అట్లానే కాదు కదా వీళ్ళు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలే కదా మన దగ్గర నుంచి కాదు. ఏదో సమ్ కమిట్మెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 4 తర్వాత అన్నాడు 4 తర్వాత రెడీ అన్నాడు ఈ టైం. ముందు చేయించాలి. ఒక నిమిషం నేను కాల్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే. బిఫోర్ 3 రైట్. ఒక నిమిషం. right? If you go to press F1, you get a documentation here. What is the free? You can go to it later. This one, right? Okay, just I'll give a small break. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So you can rejoin, right? So I just give a small break and do the meditation. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So what I do is, quickly I'll give a small meditation. Then you rejoin. What time now? 11:10. Okay,
Yes.
na?
Yes.
So 11:30. Again, 11:30 will continue. Okay, na?
Okay. Okay.
So you can join 11:30 back again.
Okay.